Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm in need of a shave. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. It's Sunday and it's time for a shave. Almost picked up the lathered soap. Today I'm going to be using Proraso. And I haven't used this in a while, so I thought break it out, try it, see if I remember the experience it truly gives. And I'm going to be using this matching aftershave toning balm. I thought that I had got this and it was the clear version, just the splash, but my memory escapes me. And so today I'm going to be using the GameChanger 0.84, and this is the closed comb, solid stainless steel, last your lifetime. Used to be $54.99. And so I had seen a post this morning, I think it was this morning, maybe last night, of Andrew, and he had some Gillette 7 o'clock greens, and he was like, I don't get along with these. And I was like, I don't think I did either. And then he was like, was the ones you had German or India? And I was like, So I had to go look. I actually have both. And the one that he was talking about was the ones from India, which is supposed to be this one. And you can't really see it. I should have had the box. But on the box, real tiny, it says Perma Sharp. So that's kind of how you differentiate it. When you look at the boxes, they look exactly the same, except just that little notation there. I already have that loaded up in my blade, so let's get going with the shave. I already have that Proraso. Is it Proraso or Proraso? Anyway, I went to open that tube up. That thing had some pressure on it, and it was just like, it just started spewing everywhere. I'm going to be using this beautiful Trotter's Handcraft brush. And so what I would typically use, I bet it put out about 5 times. And, you know, on the tube, there's no way to put it back in there. So I just made a ton of lather. And I figured, oh well. I don't think I've used this in probably 3-4 years maybe. And the scent on it, I don't remember it being this strong. It's has a very heavy scent to it to me. It feels nice lathered up. Give it the old paint action for looks. All right, enough face lathering. Go ahead and get the razor warmed up. I've got a bowl full of hot water over here. Let's get going with pass number 1 with the grain. I can tell that this blade is pretty tuggy, and it's really not that close. It's amazing how one blade can actually cut smoother and closer than another blade. It just feels like there's a lot to be got there. It'd probably make it presentable, but I think that extra tugging and pulling for most people will cause irritation. I feel like this particular blade falls into the Dollar Tree blade. Yeah, I just can't believe it. You know, some people say a blade's a blade, and I will agree to an extent. But I think the experience between blade to blade is different. At least for me. Maybe I'm just sensitive. All right, let's get lathered up with pass number 2. I do feel a little bit of the menthol cooling effect with this, so that's kind of nice. I haven't had a menthol soap in a while. I forgot to mention that there was really no residual slickness with this soap after the first pass, as I was feeling the stubble that was left over and not chopped up. I could tell there wasn't really a whole lot there. So, as though this soap may have been around for a long time and it probably works well, it's just lacking a little bit compared to some of the other soaps I've used. Listen to that. Where's all that hair coming from? Oh yeah, that's right. It didn't get chopped off the first go around. I wouldn't recommend this blade. You know, that's one thing that I will say about purchasing things on Amazon is that sometimes the vendors will use another person's ad and just say, you know, they can click on it and say sell the exact same item. And so the picture may not be, and maybe the person doesn't know exactly that there's a difference, I don't know. But if that picture is showing the Russian blade and it looks really similar, you may not always get what you think you're getting. And then that also can lead you down that road of the knockoff stuff, which, you know, with Amazon, sometimes I say it's a scamazon because, you know, you don't really know exactly what you're getting until you get it. Can you hear that? Yeah, that Gillette Silver Blue would never do that to me. All right, let me get cleaned up with some cold water. I'll be right back. Using the old Lancaster black sheep towel. I enjoy that menthol feeling. All right, and for the splash or balm or combo, give it a little shake here. See if that's enough. This has a little bit different scent than the what is that? That's definitely not eucalyptus smell. That's like a that's terrible. It's like a combination of pine sol and urinal cake. Ugh. I could see why that's been in the shave drawer for quite a while, but anyway, that's my shave. I'll put a little picture right here of everything I used. Comment below and let me know, what do you think of the Proraso scent and shave quality? What's your experience? What do you think? All right, I will see you guys on the next video. You have a great rest of your weekend.